Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be continuing the series that I am making on SAP HANA SQL functions. So in this tutorial, I will be covering the functions starts with D, E and one with F. So let me begin one by one. The first function is the day name. Day name meaning that which date this is, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So which day it is. So I will just execute this here and you will see the result. You can see this date is Saturday. Similarly, you can change any date as you like and you can see the day name. Next one is a day of month, meaning that this particular, suppose you will give a date variable and it will provide you the how many days that month is having. So let me just execute this. This is 31. If I change to 20, let's see the result. So it is showing 20. So it will provide the day of this month, like this last value. Now coming to the day of year, this is important to know that here if we execute this one, suppose this is the uh, 31st May. If I execute this, it will show you 151. It is meaning that day of year means from January up to this May 31st. So how many days that count it will be showing here. Suppose you will change to, let me show you, end of year. So if I provide this end of year of 22, then it is showing 365 days. So it can provide you the number of days here. Now next one is the days between. You have a two date variable and it will provide the date between. So this is my January starting to January end. So it will show you date as 30 from 1 to 31st. Now coming to next one is the extract. Extract where you have option like year, month, day. Also if you are using a timestamp variable, then you can use also seconds, hour kind of. So in my case it is a date variable. So from here I will extract the year. So let me just execute this and it will show you the year 22. Similarly, if you want to see the month of the state variable, just write month and you can see the data. So the month is first month, that's why it's showing 1. Just let me execute the last one as well, the day. So day is 31st. We can see the result here. Now coming to the next function, that is the first value. So first value, actually it will show you the suppose you have a table with different rows and it will show the first integer value. So in order to show this, I have created a table. Just let me execute this table. So it is a create row table, TABL, and row 1, row 2, and now I will be inserting the data in it. Let me just execute this 3 statement. Now it is. Now I will check the data, how data looks like. You can see that those rows have been inserted here. Now I want to see the first value of this particular table. So for that you have a function called first value, and here you have a row 1 order by row 2. So if I execute this one, and we can see the value as 15. Yes. Now the last one is the function called floor. So using this option, you can actually see the, suppose you have a decimal value like this 15.1, so it will show the 15 value, because it won't show. Suppose if I give you suppose as case of round, what we see, if you give 15.8, then it will show you 16, but in the case of floor, it will show the minimum value for 15.8. So the minimum value is 15. So whatever decimal you give from zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.9, it will always show the your main digit from in the left side. So that's all about this tutorial, and I believe you have understood it well, and please try it from your side as well, and please look into my other tutorials. I've given the links in the below description. Thank you again.